Ian from In 30 Minutes Guides and the author of Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes. One of the most powerful features of Google Docs is the translation feature. I'm going to show you how to use it right now. It's super easy. I've opened up this Google Doc. I'm going to go to the Tools menu and then select Translate Document. You'll be prompted to choose a language. So let's say that I want to translate this into French. I'm going to scroll down till I find French, select it, and then click Translate. Now, of course, if it's a big, long document, it might take a while, but this was actually a pretty short document. It's only 3 pages long, and you can see it's been translated into French. That's great. Now, the translation is not perfect. If you show this to a native speaker, they might have some questions about whatever's in there. They might think that the grammar is a little bit stiff, but it's just a good enough way to get an idea of what the original document what it was about without having to find a native speaker to translate it for you or to use an expensive service or to copy and paste from some online website. So use Google Docs translation feature. It's super easy to use and it will really save you a lot of time and maybe help you communicate better with people from all over the world. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it and follow me. If you go to in30minutes.com, that's our official website, and you can find out more about the book, including Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes and our other titles. Thank you.